The stakes are high for something like this because people are constantly getting dozens of emails a day. They're scrolling through their email and they see something like this, we're urging them to take action on something.
On June 10th, 2025, an analyst in Expel SOC detected something that looked routine.
Expel detected an activity where a high-privileged user clicked on a phishing email. It claimed his Office 365 account was about to be terminated, and not even wanting to interrupt business, he clicked on the link.
At first glance, this looked like any other phishing incident. But as the investigation continued, Expel's analysts discovered something a bit more interesting about this particular phish.
When we looked deeper, we uncovered a larger attack that was underway at that very same university.
What appeared to be a single phish was actually part of an ongoing multi-day campaign. A compromised student account had blasted 4,800 phishing emails across campus with the subject line, "Terminate Office 365 account." The threat actor had been systematically compromising student accounts, learning from each attempt, and refining their approach. What started as a crude Google form eventually turned into a convincing fake university website.
We investigated the logs for Student 1 to understand when and how were they compromised. Upon investigation, we saw that there was a successful login shortly before that phishing email was sent out. We were able to attribute that activity to a specific IP.
This is where the detective work began. The analysts took that IP address and pivoted their investigation across the entire university environment.
At this point, we wanted to see which other accounts that this IP accessed over that time.
What they found was a trail leading to another compromised student account, and this one had something peculiar, an inbox rule, designed to automatically delete incoming emails.
Student 0 sent out a malicious Google form asking for the same personal information, whether that meant, the user's name, phone number, emails to their student accounts, or even previous accounts that they used.
This wasn't a single attack. It was a jumping off point. The threat actor had used the first student's account to test their approach with a basic Google form, then upgraded to the second student account with a fake university domain.
This sort of activity is very common in the SOC. Actually, according to Expel's quarterly threat report, cloud identity-based attacks make up about 2/3 of incidents that we see in the SOC. So it's very common. Very often I see threat actors creating phishing campaigns that urge users to take action immediately. This allows for, people to make mistakes and not read thoroughly through emails. Threat actors are preying on this instinctive knowledge, or just people going throughout their day and making decisions.
For security practitioners, this case demonstrates why correlation matters more than individual alerts. But click wasn't the story. It was the breadcrumb that led to uncovering a multi-stage campaign.